Imagine a place where less truly means more, and every square inch is designed for both comfort and practicality. Ready to explore? Let's dive into some of the world's most remarkable tiny homes. Jeff Smith, an artist based in Boston, claims to have crafted the world's tiniest house, measuring only 2.3 square meters. Despite its small footprint, Smith assures it offers warmth and usability inside. The compact space includes a sofa bed, a workstation, a sink, a gas burner, and even a shower. However, it lacks heating, a washing machine, air conditioning, internet, access, or a television. Smith stresses that this home suits those who prioritize freedom and mobility. At one time, he even listed it on Airbnb for $55 per night. Some critics compare it to an oversized doghouse. Others see it as an inventive solution to the housing crisis, while adventurers call it the ideal base. What's your take? Constructed from reinforced concrete, Hygge homes are built to withstand hurricanes, earthquakes, and even break-ins. But don't confuse them for fortresses. They're surprisingly cozy inside. Spread over 45 square meters, each unit includes a bedroom, kitchen, bathroom, living and dining areas, plus a lounge space. Need extra space. The design is expandable. The basic model can be put together in just one day and costs $75,000. More importantly, Hygge aims to tackle the global shortage of affordable, safe, and comfortable housing as stated on their website. The eco-capsule, designed by the firm Nice Architects, is instantly recognizable with its unique shape. Part egg, part rugby ball. But it's not just about aesthetics. The interior impresses just as much. The latest model boasts amenities like a hot shower and Wi-Fi. Powered by 2.8 kilowatt solar panels, it stores energy in a 28.8 kilowatt-hour battery and comfortably fits 2 people in the standard model or 4 in the larger XL version. Prices begin at $17,000. Mystique cabins are an excellent upgrade from traditional tents at campgrounds. Offering far more comfort, these cabins blend naturally into their surroundings thanks to smart design choices. The mirrored glass exterior makes them almost vanish into the landscape. With sizes of 21 and 25 square meters, Mystique cabins rival hotel rooms in comfort. Equipped with a spacious bed, a stylish bathroom, and a workspace, they make perfect retreats for relaxing or working, especially when fresh air fuels creativity. In China, private land ownership isn't allowed, making the tricycle house a clever option for temporary housing. This pedal-powered tiny home unfolds in a surprising way and can be parked alongside others to create small communities. Made from polypropylene, it runs solely on human power without any electric motor. It operates off-grid with no need for utility connections. Inside, it features a sink, stove, bathtub, and transformable furniture. Its compact size fits within a regular parking spot, offering a creative solution to urban living constraints. CABN introduced their own tiny home called Jude, named after the founder's mother, a warm and welcoming woman who made everyone feel at home. CABN Jude embodies that spirit, cozy, inviting, and full of charm. Though only 14 square meters, it can comfortably house up to 4 guests. Inside, there's a shower, kitchen, bar counter, and a bedroom with panoramic windows. The cabin also includes heating and all necessary appliances, like a gas stove and refrigerator. You can rent CABN Jude starting at $270 per night. Would you want to stay here? Now, picture a beach near Harlesheil, a German resort town with breathtaking views. But the real curiosity is possibly Europe's first sleeping anchor buoy. For roughly 120 years, this buoy rested at the bottom of the sea off Norway's coast, unaware it would become a tourist draw. Some visitors love it so much, they book a week-long stay. Space is limited. The interior diameter is just under 2 meters, and the nearest restroom and shower are about 150 meters away. But who cares? The spectacular view more than makes up for it. Anna is much more than a simple house. It's a sanctuary for reconnecting with nature and yourself. Its design adapts to changing weather conditions, providing comfort during scorching summers and chilly winters alike. Want to greet the sunrise? Just slide Anna's panels apart. Hosting a gathering? Convert the open space into a dance area. The opportunities are endless, yet the core design remains unchanged. Depending on the model, the home can reach up to 57 square meters. Buyers can choose between a fully off-grid option or one hooked up to utilities. Prices start at $590,000, with only 365 units available, one for each day of the year. Urban pods craft elegant, inspiring environments perfect for both work and relaxation. Whether you want a workshop, gazebo, recording studio, or backyard office, how would you use yours? You'll have time to decide since production and setup take roughly 2 weeks. The standard model, Ufficio, offers 9.4 square meters of space, designed for year-round use with stylish, thermally treated timber, and is priced at about $16,000. Although some call Nola more of a hut than a home, it was specifically designed for glamping. Does that mean it lacks comfort? Not in the slightest. Nola includes solar panels, heating, electrical outlets, furniture, and a biofuel stove. Its 9 square meters comfortably house 2 adults and a child. Plus, it can be disassembled and reassembled like a puzzle, and moving it only requires a couple of people. No heavy equipment needed. That makes it perfect not just for glamping, but also for festivals and other events. If it's a hut, it's definitely a high-tech one. Drop Structures offers a variety of compact homes under 61 square meters, each tailored for specific lifestyles. For instance, the Duo model is a one-bedroom home ideal for couples, measuring 45 square meters and priced from $149,000. Looking for something more affordable? The monomodel resembles a studio apartment, spans 30 square meters, and costs $118,000. Custom designs are also available, and Drop Structures can install these homes even deep within forests. The tiny house nano packs 7 square meters of joy. Built on a trailer 3.3 meters long, it's extremely mobile, yet fully equipped for comfortable living. It features a kitchen, workspace, and more, accommodating 2 adults and a child at night. With a single axle and a weight of just 1.6 tons, it can even be pushed manually into campsites or parking spots. Great news for anyone planning an extended road trip. Here's a house you can assemble yourself, though it comes with a price tag of about $193,000. Furniture not included. Not cheap, but compact and stunning. At only 25 square meters, it fits a bathroom, bedroom, and living area, though creative interior solutions are essential. Imagine a washing machine nestled between the sofa and sink that could double as a massage chair during its spin cycle. And selecting curtains is vital. How do you balance spectacular floor-to-ceiling views with privacy? This engineering wonder is a houseboat, blending cozy living with the freedom to sail. The Harmonia 310 model costs $84,200 and offers 17 square meters of living space, including a living room, bedroom, and kitchen. It comes with heating, air conditioning, furniture, and all the essentials for comfort. Its power comes from the Victron Energy solar system, with 2 360-watt solar panels. Entertainment features include a smart TV, Glomex antenna, radio, and a pair of speakers. Smart Dome creates homes priced comparably to cars, combining mobility, eco-friendliness, and modular design. These domes can be placed virtually anywhere, from alpine villages to treetops. Each measures roughly 6 meters in diameter and 3.3 meters tall. A steel frame supports dome-shaped modules with opaque panels, insulated with mineral wool. These homes represent harmonious living with nature, incorporating features like hydroponic gardening. Would you take the leap to live in one? The Coda. Loft is a lightweight, practical home that evolved from an earlier model, but replaces concrete with a wooden frame reinforced by steel. This reduces its weight by half, making transportation easier without sacrificing comfort. Suitable for year-round use, it connects easily to electricity, water, and sewage, providing 30 square meters of flexible living space. It's popular with hotels and glamping sites, especially since units can be stacked vertically in multiples. Golden House may be the most luxurious tiny home on this list, and perhaps the world. Its exterior is clad in custom golden glass, with only 79 units produced, a nod to gold's atomic number. Demand for Golden House is extraordinary, with rental rates about 50% higher than 5-star hotel rooms. And that's before considering how remote some locations are, from Ghana's beaches to Norway's Lofoten Islands. Would you travel that far for a taste of golden luxury? The team at Colalursi doesn't just build tiny homes. They craft miniature capsules shaped like houses. But how do they fare in style, comfort, and function? The design mixes wood and corrugated metal, with spruce on the outside and birch inside. A panoramic window floods the interior with natural light, while optional awnings and modular decks add comfort. At 12 square meters, it's perfect for 2 people to relax. The setup is simple: minimalistic furniture, plumbing, and an uncluttered design. The price? Around $43,000. Would you find it worth the cost? Meanwhile, Houses offers a diverse selection, ranging from a compact 18 square meter studio to a spacious 4-bedroom home covering 96 square meters. No matter the size, each modular timber frame home is delivered within 45 days, featuring earthquake resistance and expandability through additional modules. Construction can happen year-round, and every finished home shines inside and out. The 18 square meter studio retails for about $19,000. Behind this smiling man stands one of Austria's most unique accommodations, the Loft Cube, a modular residence situated in Graz. Can you guess its exact location? Probably not. It's actually positioned atop the roof of Hotel Daniel. Thanks to its lightweight design, the Loft Cube can be airlifted by helicopter and assembled in roughly 5 days, with dismantling taking only 2. Guests enjoy 39 square meters of living space that can be tailored to their preferences. They can add amenities such as heating and even modify the room layout. Naturally, all this convenience comes with a price tag near $75,000. Prefab X delivers cutting-edge tiny homes, renowned for their incredibly fast installation. These homes can be ready to occupy within 8 hours. Should you require assistance, Prefab X specialists are available to guide you in choosing furniture and designing the interior. The Classic A model offers 39.3 square meters of space, ideal for a small family of 3. It's built to last as long as a conventional brick house, but is so simple to install that it can even be set on a rooftop. Rouse provides mobile hotel cabins spread across Germany, catering to those seeking a nature escape without traveling far. Why venture miles away when a scenic retreat lies just nearby? These compact cabins include all essentials and more. Skylights over the bedroom and bathroom flood the space with natural light, while the strategically placed windows frame breathtaking views. A wood-burning stove ensures warmth, and a compact but fully equipped kitchen featuring a sink and a 2-burner stove makes meal prep easy. A delightful touch is the small porch, perfect for soaking in the sunrise or sunset. Dragon Tiny Homes impresses with its micro-living designs. Their tiniest model, Element, measures only 12.5 square meters. But look closely. The design maximizes every inch. It includes a bathroom, a laundry nook, and a spacious loft. Built on a trailer, it offers the freedom to travel city to city while feeling completely at home. What's more, it's priced modestly, starting at $21,500, much less than many competitors. The Tumbleweed Elm, launched in 1999, was among the earliest tiny homes on wheels in the United States. Remarkably, its design has remained unchanged, and it's still available today. Sizes range from 20 to 36 square meters, with layouts featuring a living area, bedroom, bathroom, kitchen, and loft capable of sleeping up to 6 people. Large windows let in plenty of daylight, and the charming porch adds to the cozy feel. For those wanting more, an online configurator allows customization, though this pushes the cost above $120,000. The designers of Jude put a lot of thought into the layout. The bathroom is centrally located. The loft holds a double bed, and the kitchen is not only full-sized, but also boasts high ceilings. It's hard to believe this home is just 37 square meters, as many city apartments 3 times larger aren't as well planned. It also comes with quality appliances like a washing machine, large refrigerator, induction cooktop, and air conditioning. This makes it practical for up to 6 occupants, with plenty of storage for clothing and food. Prices start at $60,000, making it an affordable option compared to others. Crua Modus is the perfect companion for outdoor lovers. It's more than a tent. It's a versatile 6-in-1 system, including a sleeping bag, inflatable mattress, mosquito net, tarp, and hammock. Each part serves multiple functions. For instance, the tarp provides shade, helps keep the tent cool, and can connect to another set to create a shared terrace between 2 tents. Despite all these features, the whole system fits into a single backpack, making it much easier to carry into remote forest spots than any tiny house. It costs just $200. Though Crua Modus is impressive, the creators of Traft have taken innovation further. Traft is a hybrid, combining a tent and a pack raft. You carry it over land, then use it to float over water. Incredible! It comes in 2 models, differing slightly in size and weight capacity. The Traft 95 supports up to 147 kilograms, while the Traft 101 can hold 159 kilograms. Both weigh about 5.3 kilograms and are priced the same at $770. This invention turns rivers and lakes into no obstacle at all. Just unpack your tent, hop in, and paddle away. Studio Bark aimed to simplify home building, so they created the U-Build system. It reduces construction time by months compared to traditional techniques and requires only 1 or 2 people with simple tools like hammers and drills. The pieces fit together like a giant puzzle, and if a section needs adjustment, it can be easily taken apart. Standard materials include Weiser birch and spruce plywood, alongside SmartPly OSB, emphasizing sustainability. Cedar Shed Industries specializes in hybrid structures that blend sheds and garden cabins. Starting at 6.7 square meters and priced from $5,000. These buildings are assembled from prefabricated components similar to a construction kit. No advanced carpentry needed. Over time, upgrades are possible, such as swapping fixed windows for ones that open. Plus, the use of Weston red cedar adds to their attractive appearance. The Beehive installation was showcased at Berlin's Gropius Biau Museum. It's a dome, constructed from earth, bamboo, and straw, designed for film screenings. Built by a team of 30 undergraduate and graduate students during a practical seminar on earthen building, the dome spans 8 meters in diameter and combines simplicity with strength. Supported by 15 bamboo poles reinforced with thinner bamboo, it's covered in a mixture of earth and straw. Even the floor tiles are made from earth and sealed with carnauba wax. Truly eco-friendly. Imagine watching a movie inside such a natural, earthy environment. What an unforgettable experience that would be.